In the midst of wildfire danger, the Wichita Fire Department is urging people to take precautions to protect themselves. KSN's Asia Simone Smith here with what folks can do to steer clear of those flames. Asia?
Yeah, Hannah, on top of these high wind speeds, the hot weather conditions create a lot of dry brush on the ground. The Wichita Fire Department says that brush ignites many wildfires, sometimes traveling to dry trees and homes. On top of that, improper discarding of cigarette butts can also lead to fire dangers. Fire Captain Keith Neiman says keeping your property clean could prevent a fire hazard.
It's always important to make sure you clean around the house, leaves, any kind of stuff like that. Keep like a 5-foot perimeter around your house. That way, if we do have a fire and some grass or something spreads into the yard, it has a little stop there so it doesn't get into the house.
We spoke to one woman who found herself close to a fire on the freeway. We'll hear from her and share more tips on how you can stay safe coming up tonight at 10. Here for you, Asia Simone Smith, KSN News 3.
All right, Asia, thank you. There are ways you can prevent a wildfire from starting. The Kansas Fire Marshal's office says to limit fuel by pruning branches and getting rid of dead trees. If you're planning a burn, check the forecast, not just for the planned day, but for a couple days after. Also, check with county officials to see if burning is allowed. The office says nearly 95% of all wildfires start because of people.